In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add marks in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner looking to spruce up your data presentations or a seasoned pro seeking a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate Tableau's powerful visualization capabilities. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Tableau. Once you have it up and running, log into your existing Tableau account. If you don't yet have an account, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open an existing workbook where you'd like to add your marks. If you're starting a new project, you can also begin with a fresh workbook. Now that we have the workbook open, direct your attention to the marks card, an essential tool when it comes to visualizing your data. Here, you'll want to start by dragging dimensions and measures from your data pane onto the marks card. By doing this, you're essentially telling Tableau what pieces of data you want to visualize. This step is about selecting the components of your dataset that are most relevant to the story you want to tell. With your data elements now in place, head over to the Mark Type drop-down on the marks card. This is where you can choose the type of mark you wish to use, such as bar, line, or circle. The choice of mark type significantly impacts how your data is perceived and understood. For example, bar charts are excellent for comparing quantities, while line charts work wonders for illustrating trends over time. Choose the mark type that aligns best with your analytical goals. We now move on to encoding the data, a step that gives depth and dimension to your visualization. You'll want to consider encoding your data using options like color, size, shape, text, and detail. Encoding allows you to add nuance to your visual, perhaps using color to highlight differences, or size to suggest importance or volume. By playing with these features, you'll enable viewers to gain more insights from a single glance. Finally, let's talk about customizing the appearance of your marks. Tableau offers a slew of customization options to ensure your visualizations are not just informative, but also engaging. Utilize color to highlight key data points, adjust size for emphasis, and select shapes that best represent your data category. Moreover, labels can be added directly to your marks, providing additional context. Tooltips, another great feature, can be customized so users get more details when they hover over a data point. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your Tableau dashboard through the use of marks. From choosing the right type, encoding data effectively, to meticulous customizations, each step is vital in crafting an impactful visual story. Thank you for following along, and I hope these tips elevate your data storytelling prowess in Tableau. Feel free to leave questions or suggestions in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.